15 fabulous fall flowers to spice up your garden. 15 fabulous fall flowers to spice up your garden. Fall is in the air, and you're probably itching to transform your front yard into a cozy autumn wonderland. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, finding the perfect fall flowers can be both exciting and overwhelming. That's where we come in. We've curated a list of 30 stunning fall flowers that will turn your front yard into the envy of the neighborhood. From classic chrysanthemums to unexpected beauties, we've got something for every style and skill level. Fall in love with these 30 spectacular autumn blooms. 1. Plants chrysanthemums. We absolutely adore chrysanthemums amongst for their incredible variety of colors and shapes. These fall superstars are perfect for adding instant pops of autumn hues to your garden. They're surprisingly easy to care for, making them ideal for both newbies and green thumbs. Here's a little trick we've discovered. Pinch them back in early summer for bushier plants with more blooms. 2. Rock and aster array. Asters are like the cool kids of the fall garden party. They always show up fashionably late and steal the show. We love how these daisy-like flowers come in shades of purple, pink, and white, creating a dreamy autumn palette. Plant them in groups for a stunning visual impact that'll have your neighbors asking for your secret. 3. Add some pansies. Pansies, the little flowers with big personalities that never fail to make us smile. These cheerful blooms are perfect for adding a splash of color to your fall garden, and they'll keep going strong even as temperatures drop. 3. Add some pansies. Pansies, the little flowers with big personalities that never fail to make us smile. These cheerful blooms are perfect for adding a splash of color to your fall garden, and they'll keep going strong even as temperatures drop. We absolutely love using pansies to create colorful borders or filling gaps between other fall plants. Don't be fooled by their delicate appearance. These tough little cookies can handle a light frost like champs. Tansy fun facts. Pansies are the superheroes of fall flowers. They can bloom even when temperature freezing. These little charmers got their name from the French word for thought, perfect for those contemplative autumn strolls. 4. Venture into viola territory. Violas are like pansies' adorable little cousins, and we just can't get enough of them. These dainty flowers pack a punch with their prolific blooming habits and charming faces. We've found that violas are perfect for filling in small spaces or creating a colorful ground cover in your fall garden. Go ahead and plant a bunch. We promise you'll fall head over heels for these little cuties. 5. Showcase Sedum Autumn Joe. Sedum Autumn Joe is like the cool, laid-back friend who always knows how to dress for the season. We're obsessed with how its flowers transform from pale pink to deep russet as autumn progresses. This low-maintenance stunner is perfect for adding texture and interest to your fall garden. Trust us, once you plant Sedum Autumn Joe, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Sedum fun facts. Did you know Sedum Autumn Joe is known to attract bees and butterfly? This plant is so tough, it can thrive in poor soil where other flowers fear to grow. 6. Admire anemones. Japanese anemones are like the graceful ballerinas of the fall garden. Tall, elegant, and show-stopping. We're head over heels for their delicate, windflower blooms that dance in the autumn breeze. Plant these beauties in partial shade for a dreamy, woodland garden vibe. Get ready for compliments. These flowers are guaranteed to make your neighbors do a double take. Anemone fun facts. These beauties are late bloomers, saving their show for fall when other flowers are calling it quits. Despite their delicate looks, anemones are tough cookies that can handle a bit of neglect. 7. Go for goldenrods. Goldenrod is like the sunshine of your fall garden. Bright, cheerful, and impossible to ignore. We love how these yellow plumes light up the landscape and pair beautifully with purple asters. Plant some goldenrods and watch your garden turn into a golden paradise. Goldenrod fun facts. This plant is so patriotic, it's the state flower of Kentucky and Nebraska. 8. Bring in black-eyed Susans. Black-eyed Susans are like the cheerleaders of your fall garden. Bright, perky, and full of energy. We can't get enough of their sunny yellow petals and dark centers that just scream autumn is here. These hardy natives are perfect for adding a wild, meadow-like feel to your garden. Go ahead, plant a whole bunch. These flowers love to party in groups. Susan's fun facts. Black-eyed Susans are drought-tolerant, making them perfect for those dry fall days. These flowers are like time travelers. They'll bloom from summer right through to the first frost. 9. Cultivate colorful coneflowers. Coneflowers, or echinacea, are like the cool, bohemian friends of your garden. Laid back and effortlessly stylish. We're totally smitten with their daisy-like blooms that come in a rainbow of colors, from classic purple to trendy coral. These native beauties are drought-tolerant and keep blooming well into fall, giving you endless joy. Trust us, once you start with coneflowers, you'll want to collect them all. Coneflower fun facts. Leave the seed heads standing for winter interest and natural bird feeders. It's like a 2-for-1 garden deal. Dazzle with dahlias. Dahlias are like the divas of the fall garden. Flashy, fabulous, and demanding attention. We're head over heels for their incredible variety of shapes and colors, from tiny pom-poms to dinner plate-sized blooms. Plant these showstoppers in a sunny spot and prepare for a jaw-dropping display. Fair warning, growing dahlias can become addictive. You might find yourself with a collection before you know it. Dahlia fun facts. Dahlias are actually related to sunflowers. Who knew these glamorous flowers had such humble cousins? Dahlias come in every color except true blue. They're like nature's paint palette. 11. Highlight with helenium. Helenium, or sneezeweed, is like the unsung hero of the fall garden. Not as famous as some, but boy, does it deliver. We're in love with its daisy-like flowers in warm autumnal hues of gold, orange, and russet. These native plants are perfect for adding height and late-season color to your garden. Don't let the name fool you. Helenium shouldn't make you sneeze, but it will make your garden shine. Helenium fun facts. These plants are deer-resistant, making them perfect for gardens in rural areas. 12. Create drama with celosia. Celosia is like the punk rocker of the fall garden. Bold, spiky, and not afraid to stand out. We're obsessed with its unique, velvety plumes or crested flowers that come in vibrant shades of red, orange, and gold. These eye-catching annuals are perfect for adding texture and a pop of color to your autumn landscape. Go ahead, plant some celosia. Your garden deserves a little drama. Celosia fun facts. Celosia's name comes from the Greek word for burning, fitting for its flame-like appearance. These flowers are great for drying, allowing you to enjoy their unique shape and color long after the growing season. 13. Marvel at marigolds. Marigolds are like the cheerful optimists of your fall garden, always bright and ready to party. We adore how these flowers keep blooming their hearts out right up until the first frost. Plant them in borders, containers, or even your veggie patch for a pop of autumn gold. Trust us, these little sunbursts of color will keep your garden looking lively well into the fall season. Marigold fun facts. Marigolds are natural pest deterrents, helping to keep your garden healthy without chemicals. In Mexico, marigolds are known as flowers of the dead and play a big role in Day of the Dead celebrations. 14. Zip it up with zinnias. Zinnias are like the Energizer bunnies of the flower world. They just keep going and going. We're head over heels for their bold, vibrant blooms that come in every color of the rainbow. These easy-to-grow beauties will keep your garden buzzing with pollinators well into autumn. Go ahead, plant a zinnia patch. It's like throwing a party for butterflies and bees. Zinnia fun facts. Zinnias are super easy to grow from seed, making them perfect for gardeners of all skill levels. These flowers are cut and come again champions. The more you cut, the more they bloom. 15. Captivate with cosmos. Cosmos are like the free spirits of the fall garden. Tall, airy, and dancing in every breeze. We're totally smitten with their delicate, daisy-like flowers in shades of pink, white, and deep burgundy. These easy care annuals will keep your garden looking whimsical and wild right up until frost. Plant some cosmos and watch your garden transform into a dreamy, meadow-like paradise. Cosmos fun facts. The name cosmos comes from the Greek word for harmony, fitting for these perfectly balanced blooms. Cosmos are great self-seeds, often coming back year after year without any effort on your part.